No, we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out, baby.
Shape splitter.
You broke it.
Mommy, what? What?
Nothing.
Big it?
Almost, a little bit. Okay, well, we put it away for today, okay?
Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
what's the better?
Shape splitter?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
I want to better zip out.
You okay, Kobe?
Huh?
You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Does your belly hurt? Does your head hurt?
No.
What hurts?
Nobody.
Nobody hurts? Are you a sick bear?
Nobody's sick there.
I love you. I love you. What are you doing?
Supper?
Hmm?
Mama,
Yes.
Doggy is supper.
Jackie, what?
Supper?
Supper?
No. Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
What do you want me to make for you? What?
Go eat, buddy. Are you hungry? What do you want? What do you want? Anything you want. What do you want to eat? Hmm? You want yummy bears? No? You want some ricey? Rice? With chicken? You want some taco? Want some cereal?
Not cereal.
What do you want? Peanut butter jelly?